It is an era when we can shop internationally just with our phone. Therefore, the workload of fulfillment companies and e-commerce sellers are becoming heavier, and their business are getting more complicated. Then why do the fulfillment and e-commerce market need automatic volume measurement? The problems caused by the manual systems indicate the reason. If there are errors in the measurement data, contract-related problems and conflicts with customers may occur. Sending wrong measurements data to customs could lead to delay in customs clearance and penalties. Measuring all products by hand increases fatigue and lowers business efficiency. Here we introduce the UO solution, an automatic volume measuring instrument. By placing the goods, accurate size and weight will be automatically measured. As Bedal prevents human errors, business efficiency can be increased and the stress of export customs clearance can be relieved. Bedal L85 is the first in Asia receiving the OIML certificate. Bedal S is a volume measuring instrument specialized for goods with a regular shape. Bedal L can also measure goods in irregular shapes. Bedal integrates with various logistic management platforms as well. With the many partnerships and the automatic volume measuring solution, a new paradigm is presented to the fulfillment and e-commerce logistics market, and our company is retaining our excellent customers.